individuals are showing mild symptoms that can be self-quarantined at home, and with common antiviral substances, pharmaceutically active substances, they can cure themselves. The only thing is they have to maintain social distancing, and they have to maintain distance from immunosuppressant humans who have less immunity compared to any healthy individual. So, common hygiene, washing hands, cleaning surfaces with sterilizers, wearing masks if going out in public, not wearing the same mask often, regularly washing it, not touching commonly touched surfaces like door handles and benches, surface sterilizing of our exposed surfaces to outside environment also help. These are common followable techniques which we will have to incorporate in our day-to-day life. This is initial timeline of coronavirus. In initial timeline from 31st December, when Wuhan identified coronavirus as different than SARS-CoV-1 as SARS-CoV-2, and from that first deaths, then international outspread of coronavirus, then first US death, first Indian outspread, then acceleration in cases worldwide, and in all the social events, all the sporting events cancellation, till WHO determining coronavirus infection as worldwide pandemic. હવે પ્રિવેન્શન, આપણે અત્યાર સુધી જોયું કે પ્રત્યેક વસ્તુ કે પ્રત્યેક ઇન્ફેક્શન જે ફેલાઈ રહ્યું છે એ કોઈક ને કોઈક રીતે આપણે પ્રિવેન્ટ કરવા પ્રયત્ન કરી રહ્યા છીએ. મોસ્ટ કોમનલી અત્યારે ભારતની અંદર લોકડાઉન, લગભગ પૂરું વિશ્વ લોકડાઉનની અંદર છે, સોશિયલ ડિસ્ટન્સિંગ મેન્ટેન કરે છે. તો એવા સમયની અંદર આપણે કઈ રીતે મદદ કરી શકીએ? તો સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે સમજવું જોઈએ કે any coronavirus is spreading through droplets. So any virus can survive droplets, and that droplet can ride any surface. So table surfaces, clothes, papers, anything, any surface, and that coronavirus can last up to 6 to 12 hours and stay alive. So please avoid touching any regularly touched surface and wear mask. So if you are infected, you don't spread it to others, and if others are infected, their droplets cannot directly touch you. Regular washing of that mask is also very important. I'm gonna repeat it again and again. So common surface sterilizers like 70% alcohol, bleach solution, diluted, extremely diluted bleach solutions, phenols are also very helpful. Alcohols can also work for skin sterilization, but most commonly about 20 seconds hand wash with soap and water is the most efficient way we all can provide benefit to our own skin and the people around us. If any healthy individual, even if you are in perfect condition, goes out, come back, take a bath, clean all the surfaces that were exposed, wash the mask you worn outside, and dry it in the sun for at least 20 minutes in high temperature. These are the most common steps. Other than that, people who are immune suppressant, elders and small children, they are supposed to be kept 5 to 6 feet away from potentially any infected human. So because droplets, as I said, droplets can travel in air, so those droplets can travel up to 5 feet. So maintaining 5 to 6 feet distance to any potentially infected patient or the person who is regularly outing themselves to carry groceries or anything is highly advisable. Maintain social distance and keep everything sterilized around you. Social awareness. as I have said previously, we are as smart as anything, and that's why we need to be socially aware, not letting our own medical system be overwhelmed. See, there is a phenomenon called curve of infection. That means if in certain period of time, if in 1 month we are not yet identifying the vaccines, so we don't know when we are going to be able to cure the coronavirus infection. So if we are not going to prevent coronavirus infection, then we need to lessen the numbers by prevention of getting infections. So what we have to do is, if in 1 month right now we are getting above 100 patients infected, what we need to do is, if we are gonna get 100 people infected at the end of the day, then please try to make 1 month into 2 months or longer period of time, so we can now help provide medical facilities to each and every potential infected human, so we don't overwhelm our own medical supplies and our own medical professionals. This also helps combining with social distancing, sterilization of exposed areas. Young people can working as a bridge between infection and the health risk people. Contact tracing is a phenomenon I'm going to discuss in a while, and that's why we all in a lockdown are still working from home and providing the best shot at society, not going under a scarcity of any kind. So contact tracing. So if any healthy individual diagnosed with any kind of coronavirus positiveness, then we can ask that individual to name the people he has come in direct contact with over a week or 2 weeks, above 15 days before being identified positive, and that is called contact tracing. So we can from one individual identify the people came in immediate contact and could have had the chance to get corona infection. This is world statistics, USA leading till 11th May. We are at the number 16 in world, and hopefully we maintain our lesser degree of fatality by following social protocols. Indian statistics here I have shown till 11th of May we are at 3,000 cases. Potent medication and vaccine. This is the most interesting part of the whole coronavirus pandemic, because till now we have not faced something as potent as SARS-CoV-2, because SARS and MERS were showing were not showing acute symptoms at all. They were only showing severe symptoms from the get-go. That resulted in us having to face the acute symptoms now only, and that's why we are not able to identify the initial stages of SARS-CoV-2 infection. So what is happening is, we want to increase the pH of our blood and of our body fluids, so the viral infection cannot replicate at a higher speed. So in this process, increasing the pH of our body fluids, resulting in antiviral pharmaceutical active substances, are commonly used active chloroquine. Active chloroquine is a substance commonly used to increase blood pH. Also, protease inhibiting drugs like duranvir and cobicistat is also viral transcription preventing drugs, which are used to prevent any healthy individual from getting viral infected and grown inside our bodily cells. Maybe I forgot about mentioning where in human body which cells are most commonly susceptible for coronavirus infection. So heart, lungs, gut and kidney are the most commonly infected cells in human body, because they have CEACAM1 and ACE2 kind of receptors in abundant number of presence. After that, Remdesivir, sorry my pronunciation is a little weak, Remdesivir and Favipiravir are the RNA plus transcription reversing drugs. Means even if capsid of any virus is injecting its RNA plus into the any healthy individual host, then RNA plus will not undergo translation, and Remdesivir and Favipiravir helps in prevention of that. Now let's talk about vaccination. Vaccination, I have already discussed monoclonal antibodies. So whenever any B cells of any healthy individual are supposed to be fighting with any immunogen, they produce in diverse amount of antibodies with plasma cell development. Those plasma cells are factory for monoclonal antibody which only target that one specific immunogen. So that plasma cells can help us bring monoclonal antibodies that for that specific COVID-19 infectious agent and help us in diagnosis and in prevention of further outspread of that virus. So, okay, that is discussed. The other thing is ACE2 is the commonly found receptor accepting coronavirus as host. So what we have tried to do is form a soluble ACE2 receptor coating mechanisms. So now what we are going to do is find one individual, any individual who is either susceptible and coming in regular contact with that specific coronavirus infected area. So what we do is we give that healthy individual soluble ACE2 solution. So even if that individual is coming in direct contact with coronavirus and that coronavirus is ingested in its respiratory system, then also the ACE2 solution in the bloodstream will help in prevention and will help in binding and analyzation of that specific viral cells. Other than that, anti-corona injections are going to be popularized in around 18 to 20 months, which would be combination of hesperidin and chemostat mesylate drugs, which help in viral adhesion to any of CAM and ACE2 adhesion itself to any host cell. So if we are going to prevent adhesion of any immune cells, then in bloodstream they will just die down and they will not form any of their progeny, this way not infecting any other human cells. Conclusion. So I would like to conclude this whole chatter about coronavirus that we will come out the best or at the other end of this pandemic. But any kind of specific medication for this SARS-CoV-2 or vaccination, the minimum time required for it will be at least 18 to 20 months. And for 18 to 20 next month, we will have to learn to live with coronavirus prevention strategies. We will have to incorporate simple things in our daily routine. And ગુજરાતીમાં કહે ને કે સમજ, સતર્કતા અને સાતત્ય જ આપણને આ વસ્તુની અંદર જીવતા રાખી શકે છે. આપણે સાથે હશું તો જ આપણને સતર્ક રાખી શકે છે. તો જ્ઞાન અને એ જ્ઞાનનો સાચો ઉપયોગ પ્લીઝ કરો. આ મારા રેફરન્સીસ છે અને થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. આ સિવાયના કોઈ પણ પ્રશ્નો હોય તો અમારું ફેસબુક પેજ પણ છે અને અમારા કોઈ પણ ફેકલ્ટીને તમે પૂછી શકો છો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.